In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Globe Roaming SIM card abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of managing your Globe SIM card and activate its roaming features abroad. So activating this particular SIM card for international roaming when you are abroad is fairly straightforward. There are different procedures for prepaid and postpaid subscribers, but in general it is simple. It is always best to prepare before you leave the Philippines or any other country. So before you depart, for Globe prepaid subscribers, generally it is going to be automatically activated. This means that you don't need to send a specific activation before leaving. If you want to be absolutely sure, you can dial this number, so *143#, and by dialing this, you will see plenty of options. In here, type 12, so roaming. And once you go inside of the roaming options, choose number 1, roaming again. By doing this, you should see this message. You are now on auto roam. Just turn on your mobile phone upon arrival abroad to instantly connect to a roaming partner. So this indicates that you don't need to change any other setting. As soon as you go abroad, your SIM card is going to attempt to connect to a roaming partner nearby. And if it is able to, you are now ready to use mobile data. So just text that particular number, *143#, go to 12.1, and you should see this message. Now, you should make sure that you are loaded up with balance, and if you want to be absolutely sure, you can also call the Globe customer service. For Globe postpaid subscribers, roaming is often pre-activated, and you can verify by also dialing this particular number. If you are unsure, like I said before, dial the Globe customer service and they will be able to not only check for you but also activate the roaming abroad capabilities for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Globe roaming SIM card abroad. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.